slipped off. Weird, it always fitted so well. Oops, slipped off again.
I think I know what's wrong. It became too small for you.
But how can that be? What could make my head grow bigger?
Let me study you. Oh, I think I know what's happening.
What?
Think. Skittles, Pringles, Snickers, Oreos.
I don't get it.
Do they fill you with happiness?
Well, I do feel happy when I eat something tasty or sweet.
But it's not really healthy.
But I'm happy!
Well, let's see how much happiness you've got. Here, a special measuring tool for a slime like you. Go on, get on it.
Oh,
That's how much happiness you've got.
that's why the hat slipped off.
Right. You don't need sweets for happiness.
I can live without them.
And chips, too. Hi, guys. Today, I'm going to show you how to paint. Wait, where are all my brushes? Or at least my pencils. Sam!
Yes?
Have you seen my brushes?
I have.
Where?
Well, where are my candies?
I see you're blackmailing me.
No. It's not blackmailing. I offer you an exchange. You return my candies, and I return your brushes.
So sly when it comes to candies.
Hey!
Do you want to make a bet? If you start a healthy lifestyle today, I'll return some of your candies.
Go on.
If I can paint a picture without brushes, you'll return my brushes to me.
That will be easy. The winner takes it all.
Deal.
Oh, I need to start a healthy lifestyle. Oh, how can I do it? I've never had to think about this before. Oh, I hope I haven't lost any happiness. It grew bigger! How can it be? All right, Sue missed one. What does Sue do when she wants to have a healthy lifestyle? Oh, she eats vegetables! Oh, it'll be harder than I thought. They're so green and red. Who likes eating vegetables? Any viewers out there? Write in the comments! Oh, get a grip, Sam. Do it for the candies. 1, 2, 3. Oh, ew. Well, maybe that lowered my happiness. Oh, no? Weird. I need to think of something quick.
I need to think of something quick. No brushes, no pencils, no markers. How should I draw? No, not with my finger. So... Ugh, no, I just got my finger dirty. What if I didn't draw, but I poured the paint onto the canvas? But I need to prepare for that. Let's take the brightest acrylic paints, dilute them, each one separately. The more colors, the better. I'll stir them with sticks. But I need to make sure I use different sticks to keep the colors clear for now. Ready. I need to call Sam.
I need to find a fitness instructor. Where can I find an instructor quickly? On YouTube! What does Sue do when she wants to get healthier? 1, 2, 3, her video. Yeah, I want to watch that.
Sam, Are you exercising?
Yes, but I came across our new video when I got stuck.
Well, all the better for me. Come, I'll show you how I can paint without brushes. Are you coming?
One moment. I need to show Sue that I'm exercising. I'll go for a run.
Sam!
Coming!
Look, it's time for magic. We'll mix the paints. First, this one. And then this one. And a little bit of this one.
I am not going to drink it, though it does look like liquid candy.
A little bit more. And done!
Hey, Sue, how are you going to paint?
It's simple. I'll just pour them onto the canvas. Look.
Wow! Oh, wow! It looks just like space!
It does, doesn't it?
Oh.
There. Well, I'm done painting, so give me back my brushes.
Fine. I realize that I can be happy even without candies.
Well done, Sammy.
But now, I'm very hungry.
Fine, take a cookie. I'll go make us some dinner.
What's for dinner?
Vegetables!